Zibo Hongye Shangqin Medical Science and Technology Company Limited is a Chinese foreign joint venture company which was established in 2005. Our company located in Zibo City, Shandong Province. The transportation is very convenient. We're specialized in manufacturing all kinds of disposable vinyl gloves, which are non-sterile, latex-free, including both powdered and powder-free, medical grade or industrial grade. Gloves color can be clear, blue, white, and yellow. Also, we can supply you OEM services. Our gloves are widely used in medical service, industrial production, food processing, isolation protection, and other fields. With 16 production lines, our annual production capacity is about 2 billion pieces of disposable vinyl gloves. We have advanced equipment, technology, and enjoy an integrated reputation in scientific research, development, production, and sale. Our vinyl gloves have got the certifications of CE, ISO9001, FDA, BRC, ISO13485, EN455, EN374, NSF. Our main market is such as USA, Russia, Italy, UK, Japan, Australia, Thailand, and so on. Disposable vinyl gloves produced by our company have stable and reliable quality. We have won a reputation in Europe and the United States and other developed countries. We always uphold the principle of develop the standard quality of products, deliver the top quality of service. Looking forward to cooperating with you.